Warning, the following video is a video.
So I keep on getting comments claiming that my handcuffs are fake. I mean, who in their right mind would think that these are fake? These are actual, genuine handcuffs. Look, right? There's nothing on these to release them. Unless you have hands that can go through, like, solid steel, there is no way of getting out of these. I mean, look, right, so let's say there's a hand in here, right, and then you put the double lock on like that. They now can't be pushed in. So you have to physically get your key, right, and unlock them through the double lock, and then, if I do, there, see, and then you have to unlock it through this. And that is the only way you can get out of these. And people are like, well, you can use the key when you hid it from the camera. But as I have physical proof, and I've even shown someone who's wanted to buy these from me. I actually showed them how I did it, and there genuinely was no key. So I don't know how you can ever think that me escaping these was fake. These are genuine, standard issue handcuffs. The only difference is these are black for covert operations. That's it. These are genuine handcuffs. And I'll even put my hand in them. Like that. Right. And soon I will actually release how I managed to escape from them. Because no one believes me that I didn't use a key. So I will show how I escaped them.